Where'd you go, bro? He's over in the chair way over there. Ooh, he almost appeared. Where are you, bro? Touch your Coke in the coffee. I'm all the way at the wall. I'm all the way at the front door. Really far. So he says make it dimmer. Where are you, dude? Wow. He's at that coffee, though.